I'm living my purpose, knowing that I feel fulfilled whenever I help someone else, whether it's be friend, family, client, bring their vision to life, bring their business to life, because their business is actually helping to make a change in their family, build generational wealth, right? And just knowing that I have been a part of that makes me feel like I am living on my purpose, because for so many years I've been able to help others, but not realizing that is truly my purpose in my life. That's my purpose.
And when did that realization came to you?
Literally only about 2 years ago, when I started my Sister Keeper, when I really started working with individuals. Again, prior to that, I would always be the person that I've noticed someone will call and say, Nadia, can you, or do you know of, or can you connect me with, or can you do? And it's always that side of when someone needs help, they will reach out to me. But not until about 2 years ago when I started my Sister Keeper, and I think my pinnacle moment was when I helped a client, launched her business. And I literally just showed her her website and her logo and the things that I've designed. And she cried. She literally started to cry because of the vision that she had for her business came to life, meaning that now she could move forward in not just having this vision in her mind or in her head, or she wanted to, again, that could have and should have, but now she's really stepping out and living her dream. And I was able to be that pinnacle moment in her business to get started, right? And then I realized, wow, I am literally making a difference in family lives and really changing the trajectory of their family dynamics when they're able to start building generational wealth through their business. So I would say about 2 years ago, to give you the short answer of when I realized I was really living in my purpose, because after that phone call, that Zoom that we had, I felt so satisfied. I felt fulfilled. I felt encouragement. There was all these different definitions and emotions that I was going through as well after I got off that Zoom with my clients.
So 2 years ago, the light bulb came on when you saw the impact.
The impact.